guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I have an Amazon nail haul. So if you guys want to see what I got on Amazon, keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can see my videos. Hit the notification bell button so that you know for sure that my videos will pop up. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. So without further ado, today's video has to do with me unboxing my Amazon packages. And I did collect a couple things a couple days ago. Some things I collected like a couple weeks ago, and I've just been storing them. Haven't really used them because obviously we're in quarantine, but I did order more stuff, so I'm just preparing myself for the future, you know, whenever I do get clients. And then there's a couple of things that I ordered that I've been keeping or having my eye on, and I finally ordered it. Sometimes when I used to, you know, have my clients, I didn't have a lot of time sometimes to go through Amazon and order every single thing that I think I needed. Now that I have a little extra time, so that's what I'm trying to do. Just, you know, try to get whatever I have been needing and have to restock on, things like that, or just things I've caught in my eye. But anyway, let's just get started. I have a couple packages there. I have some here, so I'm just gonna go one by one. And I'm gonna try to be careful without having to show the address. So I'm just gonna use my scissors to start. I don't know what's in a lot of these, so we're both gonna be surprised at the same time. Okay, so the first package, I got a couple, I don't know how many is in here, but I did order some cuticle oil sticks. And I want to do a video to show you guys how to make these. I have never made them, so bear with me. We're gonna be making them together on my channel, so make sure you watch out for that video. We're gonna make our own cuticle sticks basically. So I don't, like I said, I don't know how many are in here, but this would be a great product to sell to your clients, because this is really important, cuticle oil. So these are like little personalized cuticle sticks they can have in their purse, and I'll probably be putting my name on them. So, you know, kind of like self-promo. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And I will be leaving all the prices somewhere on the screen. And also, I will be leaving every link in the description box down below. Okay, so next package. I did order me and my daughter something that has nothing to do with nails, so it might be in here. I just don't know which package it's in. So, we'll see. Okay, what's this? I think that's it. Okay, so I got these little, I guess, nail stand things to do press-on nails. I've never used these before, and I really needed them. I don't know how this works. Oop. I don't know how this works. Oh, it's a little stand, okay. Ooh, and I think I have the putty somewhere in my room, but I think you put the putty and you put the tips on here. That is gonna be fun to do. I can't wait to do that. I'm thinking about selling press-on nails to my current clients, or if anybody wants to order any, but I'm not really sure yet. I need to figure out how to do that first. So this is gonna be great to do that. So that's that, and I don't remember if I ordered this or not. I think I did, yeah. I guess they just put it together. You know, Amazon does that. And these are just little foils, and they have different styles inside. I don't even know what styles are in this. Wow, these are gonna be cute. Look at that, it's different cheetah print. Okay, brings me back to when I was like 20 years old, when cheetah print was like a thing, like really, really big back then. Back in 2010 when I was 20 years old. Okay, that was 10 years ago, that's a long time ago. Let's do the next one. This is a pretty big one. I don't remember everything I ordered, so that's like Christmas. Everything is a surprise. There's a lot in this. I guess it's because, you know, like I said, Amazon just puts everything in there. Look at that! It already looks like fun to open. What's one thing? Let's go one by one. Okay, so this is the one that I was telling you I ordered myself. You guys, I'm obsessed with Jasmine. I'm so obsessed with her. I've been obsessed with her since I was little. And this has nothing to do with nails, but I ordered it while I was ordering nail stuff. And I was like, oh my gosh, a Princess Jasmine brush. I cannot wait to use this. And I bought it because it was the brand Wet Brush. So I know that they're good. If you guys are interested in like Jasmine or other princesses, they have all the, like mostly all the princesses. They have Ariel, they have Belle, Cinderella. And you know, I always brush my hair when it's wet and then I just let it air dry. So I'm so excited to use this. Okay, so I have a Pana Carbide Bits. This is the fine. I got a silver one. I hope you guys can see it on my phone. What we got here. I remember when it was Valentine's Day, you guys, I couldn't find these nowhere. So these are little glitter hearts and they're so pretty. They're like holographic. How cute is that? Wow. I hope that, like I said, that the camera is catching how great it looks. Let me just take a look. Yeah, that is so freaking cute. Wow. Okay, so I am gonna zoom in because I want to make sure you guys can see everything clearly. I don't even know. Let's open it. Ooh! Ooh, this shirt keeps going down. Guys, look what I got. This is gonna be so cool. Okay, so they're little cosmetic containers. Don't remember how much they cost. Like I said, I will be leaving the links in the description box. These are cute because I thought about like doing my own little glitter mixes, and these are very tiny compared to the ones I got at the Dollar Tree. These are just little cosmetic ones that, like, you know, at Sephora they pump the little samples in these and they let you go home with them. That's what I got. The reason why I got these is because, like I said, I wanted to do my little glitter mixes without putting the acrylic in there, just in case I just need to mix that, or maybe just to mix some little portion of whatever, or maybe for like gel. I don't know if I wanted to mix my Medusa gels. We'll see what we do with that, but these are good because you could also put charms in these. You could put Swarovskis in them. That's gonna be good. I don't know how many are in here, to be honest, but all that information will be down in the description box. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, I just snipped a part of the... Oh, it's my daughter's brush. Or no, wait a minute. One of them is for me, one of them is for my daughter. Now I don't know which one it is because this one looks way bigger than the other one. This is a Jasmine. I love Jasmine. Okay, so this is what they look like. I'm guessing now that this one's... I thought this one was going to be for me and this one's going to be for my daughter because this one was cheaper. This one was like $10. This one was like $5. So cute. I'm gonna use this for me and my daughter. We will share the same brush anyway. These are so cute. I'm so excited to use both of them. Well, there's a couple things in here. So we have two, basically these are the exact same thing. Two extra coarse Pana Gold Carbide Bits. And these are great to remove a lot of product off of the nail beds. A lot of like the acrylic, if you wanted to do a soak off, these are really good, the extra coarse. But it is a safety bit, so that's great. The smooth top, and that's gonna be helpful. So I'm just stocking up on things that I haven't had time to order. And then this thing I've been wanting for a while. I'm actually gonna take it out of the package. This is a little like slab of, I don't know, rock or whatever. Oh, okay, it's smoother than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be heavy. It's just like, it is so pretty though. But this is gonna be used for like mixing gels. That's what I really got it for, or like something else, or like if you do like a paint. I guess, I don't know. I'm gonna use it for my Medusa gel. So when I do nail art or my marbling, it'll be great to put the gel here. I do have more stuff coming in, guys. It's just, it's not now. So we're probably gonna be doing another Amazon unboxing or haul. I think that's it for this one. Okay, so this one has 3, I think, inside. I ordered this and it had 3 of them. That's why I ordered this specific one. Yes, it has 3 of them. This I wanted, I don't know, I'm just thinking about like the giveaways coming up, so I might do more than one person. I'm not too sure, guys. So I thought that this would be good for either me refilling, because I did need a little bit more on them, and then I might give one away, or I might keep these, and I think I have another one I'm going to show you guys that I'll give away for the prize. But yeah, these are just regular rhinestones off of Amazon. You guys always ask me where I get my rhinestones. I get them from Amazon, you guys. They're actually very inexpensive. Even on Amazon, they're very inexpensive on there, so not bad. So we'll just put those away. And then that's all for the unboxing part, but I do have other stuff to show you guys, and like haul-wise. Okay, so next thing we have here are KDS glues. I don't remember how much I got. I think they're 25 in here. I don't really know. I'll leave everything, like I said, in the description box. These are my the most infamous nail glue that nail techs use. If you guys are having trouble with the nail glue that you guys have at the moment, go ahead and order some KDS glue. Very inexpensive. You can order a lot. Keep them in stock. These are really, really good, and I'm very happy that I purchased more, because I do tips. So this is gonna be good. Next, we have some nail swatches, or nail swatch sticks. These nail swatch sticks are gonna be really useful when I do videos, nail art. If I need to do, like if I order more acrylics, I'm gonna have to, you know, swatch them on there for my clients and see what color it actually looks like. Or if I, you know, get into acrylics and I want to show you guys what they look like on camera. So these, I don't know if it was 200 of them, but like I said, all the information will be in the description box. I did buy these glow-in-the-dark powders, but the other ones were a little bit, they were in bags. They were a lot smaller. Oh, I haven't even opened this one. So the other ones are in little packages, or little clear bags. And these one, supposedly they're in containers. Yep. Oh my gosh, it comes with a little cute, oh my gosh, a cute little stone. That is very cute. And it's heavy. So, okay. So you can make your own. You could, I guess, scoop them out. Wow, I'm very happy with this one. This is cute. And there, you guys saw my glow in the dark video. They glow a lot. You want to do DIYs, even if you wanted to do like slime with your kids or something, this is really cool. And the next thing that we have is this mango oil, like it's an essential oil, and that is why I bought these little cuticle oil containers. They're empty. I'm gonna be making my own. I have the cuticle oil somewhere over there stored. I don't have a lot. Sally's is closed, so I can't even get more. I do have a little bit, so I hope I have enough to do at least 2. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding the essential oil, so it's like gonna be a fun DIY project. I'll be doing that in a video. The next thing that I got is these little cuticle bits to clean around the cuticle. I don't know how well they work. This is just a haul, guys, but I am going to be testing this out on myself the next time I do my nails, which is really soon, because 2 of them already came off, you guys. And I really broke this nail, and I don't even remember how. I just remember it hurt when it came off. But we're going to be redoing that. So I am going to be giving myself a fill, doing a repair on 2 nails. Probably tomorrow. I really need my nails done. And we're going to be redoing the design. So yeah. So that was the cuticle bits. They have like this little nail looking one. I don't even know. I think I've heard it been called the Skiver, but I don't know if that's like from a specific brand. But they have these other ones that I have this one already in my drawer. And then this one has a bigger little ball for the cuticle, but I haven't ever used that one or this one, so I'm excited to use it. So then we have this container, and this one has the foils. So these are just like the flower foils that I use on my clients. The reason why I bought these, I already have, like I said, I already have these I bought it because the ones when you see them that they're in a box, instead of like, let me see, instead of them like this, these are always a lot, like they bring more layers of the design than these do. These come shorter. So, and I like how they're organized in here too. I can't even open this. I don't even know how to open this thing. Okay, dummy. Okay, so I can already tell because yeah, there's a lot more in these than the ones that come in packages like this. So if you want to order them, always try to order them in these little packages and you'll probably get a better buy, to be honest. These I got only because this is I just wanted to try this pattern. So if I really like it, I might get a bigger one if they're available. And then the other things that I got, I could have sworn, you guys, that I bought, because I bought these two and then, okay, I bought this. I could have sworn I bought a gold, but then again, it might not be here until tomorrow or something. So, okay, so I got this little kit with some diamonds on them. This one, I don't know, I think I'm gonna need this one. I might order another one or I might give it away. I'm still trying to figure out what to do if I should have one or two winners. But anyway, these just have all of the little different diamond designs. It has like 10 different types, I believe, and then it has like this thing inside of it, so it comes with extra diamonds. It has a lot of diamonds. And then I got this, which I'm not gonna lie, this is how it came. It was ripped, and I was like, let me count my files and see if they didn't take any out, but they didn't. I counted them, trust me. And these were, I don't know, $20-something, maybe 23, but I'll leave the price somewhere on the screen, like I said, like I have been with the other ones. But these files, let me take one out. They seem to work pretty well. So they're 100 files, so each side is 100. I want to test it out on my nails next time I do them. I hope they come out good. I might go, I don't know, I'm thinking about going on live tonight, but that's if I'm not too tired, or I'll go on live tomorrow. But tomorrow I want to do a different video. But I'm trying to figure out if they're gonna work, because they look like they're sturdy and they might not be. You can never tell until you actually try the files on the acrylic nails. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh yeah, I think I showed you guys that though. Yeah, I already showed you guys the mica powders on a live video that I did. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. This is all the stuff that I got. There's a lot of stuff that I ordered. Quarantine has been really boring, that I'm actually ordering a lot of stuff. Sometimes I stop myself because I'm like, do I really need that? And right now I'm like, I need everything. I'm bored. That is all I got, you guys. It's a bunch of stuff. Great prices though, great deals. They came a lot of this was just ordered yesterday. A lot of this was ordered last week and I was just storing it. But yeah, that's all for my video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys saw a lot of the cool stuff that I got. And you guys should probably just, you know, check out Amazon. They have a lot of cool stuff on there. And all the links will be left in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye-bye.